Now, the next issue is, one, do you have an investment that qualifies? Then the next thing, of course, which is important to know is exactly what are these investment incentives and guarantees under the new law of investment? And under the law of investment, you really have a choice. There are two packages of investment incentives available. So as you can see, option 1 and option 2. For option 1, it's basically income tax exemptions for 3 to 9 years from first income. And that will also be based on the size of the investment. Then after that 3 to 9 years, you can get a partial exemption on your income tax obligations for up to an additional 6 years. And if you look at that, it's a sliding scale. So, the first year you would only have to pay 25% of your tax obligations, the next 2 years, 50%, and the remaining 2 years, 75%. So really up to 15 years, you can have various tax holidays and tax exemptions, which is very favorable in Cambodia. In addition, there are some other taxes. There's something called a prepayment of income tax, a minimum tax, and an export taxes. So you can also get exemptions on other kinds of, I'll say, smaller, more minor taxes that would apply to businesses in Cambodia. Alternatively, there is also the option 2 package of incentives, and you get things like you can offset capital expenditures through special depreciation, meaning you can depreciate certain items more quickly than you normally could under Cambodian law. Also, you can get a large offset over on certain kinds of significant expenses, double the amount of the actual expense. And then in addition, you can get some of these exemptions on things called the prepayment of income tax, the minimum tax, and the export tax. So really there's two quite favorable packages of incentives available.